Welcome to Sprinkles Lane. Glad you could join us today. I'm going to be opening something new, a Treasure X. So I can't wait to find out which surprises are hiding in here, which ones we dig out. This looks really cool and really fun. Alright, so there are some of the surprises that you can get. I think there are 10 of them. Or it shows like the type of surprises that are in there. Alright, there's our checklist. Alright, here's our sand hiding our treasures. Let's get this out, hopefully. Okay, it says I have to run it under some water for 30 seconds. So I'll skip forward to that in just a second. Here we have our tool. Lots of cool sides on this tool, a shovel and like a drill. Good way to excavate our treasures out. Alright, here we are. I'm back. I've run it under some water and I've put it in a bowl because I feel like this might be messy. Oh, I see something in there. Alright, it's an arm. Now I will get these all like washed off and cleaned up and then show them to you again toward the end of the video. Try to make this process a little bit fast. Oh, I see a couple things hiding right here. One of them is our treasure box. So we have a leg, and obviously we have the face here, or head. Ooh, looks a little creepy. I really like this idea of digging around for your treasure. Very cool way to package it. It's a lot of fun. Alright, we have another arm. Ooh, something right here like a staff of some kind, maybe a weapon. I think there are snakes on that. Alright, another leg. Alright, we got our treasure box out. It's all chained up. One more surprise in here. Oh, yep, there it is. This is body, or his chest. Alright, so everything's been washed off. So we'll do close-up of all our little things, our little treasures. There's our tool. And there's the face, or head. And legs. And the arms. In the body, and there are snakes on that. And there's our treasure chest. Get these things open, and we'll put him together. He looks really cool. So there he is. Very neat. Now hopefully I can get this treasure box open. These are magical scissors, so they may be able to cut through the chain, hopefully. And I did it! Yay, more sand. I'm just kidding. It's actually really cool. Alright, we'll just have to dump it, I think. Yeah, it'll just be easier that way. Alright, so there's a little surprise. It's a little hand. Not sure what exactly you do with that, but you know. Alright, so here's a checklist. I guess there are some gold dipped treasures that you can find that are ultra rare. And then we have different groups here. We have pirates and knights and crusaders and scuba guys and treasure tribe. I like the bandits one. Those look really fun. Golden gladiators, the tomb hunters. Oh, there's ours. Oh, there he is. And there's our special little treasure, a glow-in-the-dark hand. Alright, we'll take a little look at all the little treasures that you can find. Some neat ones on the list. I like that the checklist is kind of laid out like a map. That's really fun. The theming on this is really cool. It was a lot of fun to dig the treasures out and find them that way. It was a little bit of work, but it was still super fun. Alright, so there it is. Thanks for watching, and remember to sprinkle a little joy wherever you go.